In the last video, we have seen how to use the var keyword to declare variables, and we have learned that when we do this, the compiler can infer the type of the variable from the expression that is on the right side of the assignment. So once we initialize a variable with var, its type is known at compile time. And if we want, we can also change the value of that variable by assigning it again, provided that we use a value of the same type. To show you what I mean, here I could type in height equals 1.90, and then I could print again the value of the height variable, for example by copy pasting this line. And if I run this code, we can see that we now get a console log that says I'm 1.84 meters tall, and then another one that says I'm 1.9 meters tall. So when we declare a variable with var, we declare a variable that is mutable, and this means that we can change its value. Now, I want to introduce a new keyword which is called final, and final is used to declare a variable that is immutable. So over here, I could change the declaration by saying final height equals 1.84. And as you can see, the compiler now complains that height is now a final variable and it can be set only once. So the key takeaway here is that we can declare mutable variables with var, and we can declare immutable variables with final. And it is normally a good idea to declare variables as final every time we know that they are not going to change. Okay, so I can now clean up this code and we can continue on the next video.